The 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross arrives with a refined presence, updated features, and a more mature personality while staying true to its practical and adventurous roots. As a rugged variant of the popular Xpander MPV, the Cross takes on a more SUV-like character with its bold styling and raised ride height. The facelift brings sharper aesthetics, including a redesigned dynamic shield front grille, newly sculpted front and rear bumpers with faux skid plates, and chunky black cladding around the wheel arches. These elements, combined with new LED headlights and updated 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels, give the Xpander Cross a more commanding and premium look. Inside, the cabin is noticeably more upscale and driver-focused. The dashboard now houses a larger 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with enhanced graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and improved responsiveness. A fully digital 8-inch instrument cluster replaces the traditional analog setup, giving the driver access to more information at a glance. Higher trim models feature a new 3-spoke steering wheel borrowed from the Mitsubishi Triton, along with soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and faux wood or metal accents that elevate the interior ambiance. A dual-zone automatic climate control system, USB-C charging ports, and a rear seat center armrest with cup holders further improve comfort and convenience for passengers. Space and versatility remain key strengths of the Xpander Cross. It retains its 3-row, 7-seat layout with flexible seating configurations that cater to both family and cargo needs. Second-row seats slide, recline, and split fold, while the third row can be completely folded flat to increase luggage space. Mitsubishi also improved overall ride comfort by retuning the suspension and enhancing insulation, resulting in a quieter, smoother driving experience even over rough or uneven roads. Powering the 2026 Xpander Cross is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder Mavic petrol engine that produces approximately 105 horsepower and 141 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual gearbox or a continuously variable transmission, CVT, depending on the market and variant. While performance is modest, the focus is clearly on efficiency, reliability, and ease of maintenance. Fuel economy figures hover around 29 to 34 mpg combined, making it an economical choice for daily use and long-distance travel. Select variants of the Xpander Cross now offer a traction-enhancing all-wheel drive system with drive modes tailored for different surfaces such as mud, gravel, and snow. With a ground clearance of 225 millimeters, the vehicle is capable of tackling mild off-road trails, flooded roads, or poorly maintained rural routes. The added AWD option enhances the Xpander Cross's utility for drivers living in more rugged or weather-challenged regions. Mitsubishi has made significant strides in improving safety. The 2026 model now includes 6 airbags on higher trims, upgraded from just 2 in earlier models. Advanced safety features such as active stability control with active yaw control, hill start assist, and emergency stop signal are standard across many variants. Top trims may also come with additional ADAS features like forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a surround view camera system, though availability can vary depending on the market. Pricing for the new Xpander Cross remains competitive, particularly in Southeast Asia, where it continues to attract budget-conscious families seeking SUV appeal without sacrificing fuel economy or versatility. With its refreshed design, enhanced tech, improved comfort, and expanded safety offerings, the 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross stands out as a well-rounded, value-driven crossover that's ideal for urban families and adventurous drivers alike. It may not be the most powerful or luxurious in its class, but its blend of practicality, rugged styling, and user-friendly features make it one of the more compelling options in the subcompact crossover space.